Hello and welcome to the introduction of the eMaintain job management system. eMaintain is a reactive and planned property maintenance company. We work for high street retailers, property management firms and property owners. We work all over Scotland and also to the north of England. Now, if you've not used eMaintain before and you would like to use the online system, simply click here to request an account and we'll be in touch with you very quickly. If you're already a user, simply fill in your details, put in your passwords, click login, and that will take you through to the job management portal. So here we go, and this is your dashboard. So over a set time period here, which can be adjusted if required, we can see the complete jobs, incomplete job, number of quotes, financial information and other important statistics. We can also see this information charted so that you can see it very quickly. Now, working through the system, starting at the end, we've got the system settings where you can go in and change your password if required. If you click on companies, you can go into a section called sites, and in this area you'd be able to add different sites that you manage or that you own or whatever. Now, at the bottom here, this is where you do it. You put insert new item, add a new site in there, and simple as that. Now, the big advantage of that is that if you're adding jobs to a site that you've already done work on, you don't need to re-enter the site details, it's already there, you're just picking it from a drop down list. So you can see all these different sites that this client works for. Moving on to documents. Now, documents is where we can save pictures, files, whether they're Word documents, Excel, PDF or complex drawings. They can all be uploaded here to the document section and tied to a particular job. So if you want to upload a document, simply click insert new item here at the bottom, pick the job it's for, pick the file you want to upload, a folder it's to go into and give it a file name, and that's it, it'll be uploaded to the right place now. So that's where all the documents are held. Now, moving on to the next section, jobs. Now we can see a list of the jobs we've got on the go for this company. Now we can see lots of information across here. It's the job number, the eMaintain use, the name of the job, the company, the site, if the client uses job numbers, the client uses purchase order numbers, who it's assigned to, what status of the job. Lots of information there which we're all becoming more familiar with. We've got a new job to add, click here at the bottom, insert new item. Fill in the job, the company it's for, the site it's at, and the other information in here, and how urgent it is. Add that to the system, it instantly gets emailed to all our admin staff, our management and our engineers out there in the field, so if they're within the vicinity, they might be able to go to that job for you by using their smartphones to see exactly what's required. So looking through the jobs there, it might say, right, that site there, Fliddle, Craigmillar in Edinburgh. We can see all the address details there. So we can, by clicking on that, we can, if you're on the road, you'd be able to pull over and find out the exact information so that you can get yourself to that site. Now back to the job screen. Now if we go into a job, we can find out some more information about that. So let's take the bottom one there, Ross Electrical, Aberdeen North. We can see, please attend to carry out roofing and dilapidation works. Great, so we've got all the information we require about that job there. Now if we go to the view documents at the bottom, we can, it takes us through to the documents section, already filtered by that job. Click on the files and we can see the work that was carried out up there. And we can see the refurbished units. So that's just a quick example of exactly how well the system can work. Take another one, take Superdrug in Oban for this client. Now we can see this was just simply a refit that needed done, and again the information there, view the documents for this job, and we can see the pictures of this site as well. It's very useful when tracking the history of a job, and seeing everything that happened, when we done it, and generally how it all went. You see the finish there, it's a till repositioning within the store that was done. So back to the job section here. Now we've also at the top got comments, issues and actions. So this also allows us to add comments to a job. Maybe after the job has been added, the client might want to add new comments to it just to give us more information about that job. Or an issue that's maybe come up on site, our engineers can add an issue, and by that way the client and our staff all know exactly that there is an issue with that site. Or if they fill out an action, they can go in there and click on actions and they can upload their job report from site. So if we go into an example of that, we can take the Superdrug and open again, we can view the action. So this would be filled out by an engineer on site, off site, the actions taken, reconfigured shelves, all the information's there. The job is not complete, it's not ticked. The outlying conditions all appear to be fine, they've been ticked off. No issues with the site other than what we are doing. Report further visit as required. That's why the job isn't complete. We can see who's filled that out and when it was added. So that's an example of an action. So we can see exactly what the guy done when he went to site. Okay, so that's a quick overview of the system, and I hope that helps you understand exactly how the system works. So thanks for watching the demonstration video, and we hope to be doing business with you soon. Thank you.